In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a stop loss on Etoro in 2025. This is a crucial skill for managing your investments effectively and can help minimize potential losses in a volatile market. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Etoro website. Once you're on the platform, your first step is to log into your account. You'll see the login option prominently displayed, so go ahead and click on that. Enter your credentials and wait as you are directed to your account homepage. It's important to log in securely, so ensure that your password is strong and, if possible, enable two-factor authentication. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Etoro homepage. This is your central hub for managing all your investments and financial activities on the platform. Familiarizing yourself with this area is essential, as it houses all the tools and resources you'll need to be successful in trading. Next, make your way to the Discover section. This is where you can explore a wide array of assets available to trade, from cryptocurrencies to stocks and ETFs. Consider what type of asset aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance, as this will be crucial when setting up your stop loss. After you've decided on the asset you want to trade, it's time to click on the Trade button associated with that asset. This is where the action begins, as it will bring up the trading interface where you can manage and execute your trade. In the trading window, you'll be prompted to enter an amount. This is the amount you wish to invest in that particular asset. Make sure you've calculated your risks and are comfortable with this amount, as it will directly affect the stop-loss figures you set. Now, here's the significant part. Look for the stop-loss section. A stop-loss is a predetermined point at which your trade will be closed automatically to limit your losses. Setting a stop-loss helps avert emotional decision-making during market turbulence, allowing you to stick with your trading plan. Adjust the stop-loss settings according to your risk appetite. Whether you set it at a percentage or dollar amount, ensure it's a balance that safeguards your investment while giving the trade room for potential growth. And there you have it. You've set your stop loss, adding an essential layer of protection to your investment strategy. Ensuring you set a stop loss with each trade can make your investment journey on Etoro smoother and more secure. Always remember to review your stop losses regularly as market conditions change, ensuring your strategies remain aligned with your overall investment goals. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy trading!